Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya. I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Today I'll be sharing 5 products that can amp up your eye makeup game. As everyone knows, I'm a very big fan of bold eye makeup, subtle eye makeup, everything with eye makeup. I am in for that. So today I'll be letting you know the 5 products that I think that totally can change your eye makeup game. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product has to be an kajal, good old kajal. The one that I have with me is an Nykaa I Am Black kajal. You can see how small it is because I have abused and used it so much. This is a very good kajal. It is smudgeable, but after sometimes it does convert into a gel kajal. I'll show it to you. The pigmentation is pretty bomb. Can you see that? How dark it is? I love this kajal. The pigmentation is good. The price point is good. I guess that this kajal retails for 400 or 350. I don't know exactly, but you can always get this on sale on Nykaa. And this has lasted me pretty well. I must say it's been over an year and it has not dried out. It still glides very smoothly. So this is my first pick, a kajal from Nykaa. So my second pick is a mascara. This is a Sugar Uptown Curling Mascara. So this is a very good mascara. I'll show you the wand. So this is how the wand looks. I hope that you are able to see how it looks. This is a very good mascara. It lengthens your lashes like anything. And what I think is, whenever you are concentrating on eye makeup, mascara is a must. And so this is the mascara that I like. I have recently tried it and I have literally fallen in love with this product. So if you want, you can just give it a try. This actually retails for 350 or 400 something. I'm not sure exactly. I'll write it down somewhere here. So a good mascara can really change your game, eye makeup game. So with the mascara part moving ahead, the next pick that I have is fake lashes. I love fake lashes. I always say to everyone that lashes can make and break your eye makeup, and I totally feel that it is true. Lashes takes your eye makeup to a whole different level. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you can see I have my makeup looks with lashes and without lashes as well. But I always feel that without lashes it looks okay-ish, but with lashes it looks bomb. So my pick for lashes is Pack Lashes. I totally rely on them. They are under 500. So this one is Pack M58. This is a very good style. The other style that I love is M73, and that is for 375 something. Pack never has sale and everything, so but I think for 375 it is actually a very great deal. So Pack Lashes. My fourth pick is this metallic eyeshadow. This is from K by Katrina and this is in the shade Jade Glow. I guess it is not written anywhere over here, but I remember that it is Jade Glow. This is a like metallic eyeshadow, but you can create such good eye makeup. Just look at the pigmentation and look the way it glides. Oh my god, can you just look at the color and the pigmentation? So this eyeshadow is super blendable. When I say super blendable, it is actually very blendable. You can just tap, like you can just smudge it around your lashes and just give a very nice smoky effect, and this color is love. This is such an unusual color, a bit like what you say, peacock green. I am not sure if I am doing justice to it. It is a very peacock green kind of a color, but I love this. Even if you are having a very bare face, you can just like put this eyeshadow stick under your eyes and it would look so good. I am telling you, you have one of these eyeshadow sticks and your eye makeup game is really going to go one step up. So the price of this is usually, I guess, $5.99. Yeah, $5.99 I guess, but Nykaa always has K-beauty products on sale, so I'm sure you can pick it up for 500. Right now it is like the price that I last looked upon was 509, which is 9 rupees from our budget, but that is perfectly fine. I think that one stick will go a long way and you can really create some very creative and very beautiful eye looks with this one. So the next thing that I have is glitters. So fun fact, I used to hate glitters. I always used to think that matte eyes are pretty better than glitters, but once I have started using glitters, I guess I'm in love with it. The best ones are from TS Cosmetics. Don't worry, TS Cosmetics has not sponsored this video. I'm just saying this because I love their formula. This is their loose pigment glitters. So this already has glue in it. You can see how beautiful it looks. I will just swatch. So this one already has glue in it, so you don't need an eye glue, so you don't need a glitter glue. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Can you see? It literally has pink reflex in it. I literally love this. I literally love this shade. Oh my god. This is in the shade Power Pink. I don't know. Let me just give me a minute. So this is in the shade Power Pink. You can see how beautiful Power Pink looks. It literally has silver chunky glitter. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. The other one is also from TS Cosmetics. This is in the shade Dreams and Fantasy. Oh my god, what a beautiful name. Dreams and Fantasy. This is my kind of shade. Oh my god, I'm not able to open it. Hell. Oh my god. Okay. This is really beautiful. I'm telling you. You'll be like, oh my god, Vidya. This is beauty. Oh my god. I can't with this. I can't with this beauty. Can you see? Can you? Don't look at me. Just look at the reflex. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And you know what? This whole dabba will last you for a very long time, and it is for $250, I guess. I got it on a sale and I got it on some offer, so I got 3 to 4 products, and so I guess that it retails for $250 or $300, so that is below $500. And you can just apply any eyeshadow and just pat this glitter over it, and you are done for the day. If you're going for a wedding and you want glitters, TS Cosmetic glitters are the best. And the fun fact is, you don't need glitter glue because it already has glitter. And the fun fact is, you don't need glitter glue because it already has glue in it, and the shades are to die for. If you have never tried glitters, I would highly recommend to try TS Cosmetics. Their glitters are one of the best glitters. I always use it on my brides, and the makeup turns out so beautiful. I can't even. So another option for glitter is from Glitter Mafia. So I have been shopping from this. So anyone has not sponsored me, I'm just saying this out of love because I love these two products so much. I'll just swatch this one. This is also a very beautiful one. Ooh. Can you see this? Can you see the reflex? I'm not sure if you can. This is a very rose gold type of glitter. Wait, my swatches suck, but I'll try to do a better one. Can you see this? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is from Glitter Mafia. TS Cosmetics and Glitter Mafia both are an Instagram store. If you want, I'll leave their handle below. You can just go and check them out. They are literally doing the best. With glitters, I feel that they are literally the best in market. Even if you don't know eye makeup, that is perfectly fine. You can just tap any eyeshadow on your crease, and then you can just tap off, like you can just blend a little bit of glitter, and it would actually turn it to a very great eye makeup look. So loose glitters, pigment glitters, everything. So glitters can actually be your best friends if you want to amp up your eye makeup game. So the last thing has to be one of my favorites. This is a liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. I dropped it. Okay, take 2. So this is a liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. You can see such a beautiful color, such a stunning color. I'll just give you a swatch. So I'll swatch it here. even on the days where you don't want to wear too much of makeup but you want to go to some party or you want to go to some event and you just want your eyelids to shine, that's it. You can just apply this. Look at this, it is so good. You can just apply this, and intensity of this product literally depends on how well you blend it. So if you want the intensity to be very low, you can just take a tad bit and just blend it in, and it will just give you a sheen and nothing more chunky. Glitters are usually chunky and bridals use them, or party wear looks have glitters. But if you don't want glitter but you like a little bit of jazz, you can just go ahead with this product. And this, I guess this retails for 150 or 175, I'm not sure, but I know that this is definitely under 200. I'll just leave the amount over here. I got it on sale on Nykaa, so I got it for a very affordable price. So you can check this out. This is a really good product. This can help you to amp up your game. And one thing that you can do with such liquid shadows is, if you are wearing a very matte eyeshadow and you want your inner corners to pop, you can just take it, you can just apply it on your inner corners and you're good to, and all your eyeshadow would be matte, and this on the inner corner would just give you a tad bit of bling. And I actually live for such looks. These are my 5 picks which can really, 5 products which can really amp up your eye makeup game, and they are affordable too, under 500, so they are affordable too. So that is a win-win situation, I guess. So if you like what you see, if you want more such videos, please do let me know. Click on the like button, leave a comment, whatever you feel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that would actually mean the world to me. Send me requests of what do you like to see next, and I'll be really glad to create any looks that you want. So until next time, bye bye, love you.